The trial of a Strongsville teen charged with murder after prosecutors say she intentionally crashed her car is now wrapped up. Mackenzie Shirilla, who is now 19 years old, was 17 at the time of the crash. Her 20-year-old boyfriend, Dominic Russo, and his 19-year-old friend, Davion Flanagan, died in that crash. Now, Kaitor K joined us now at the latest on this. Kaitor, as you've been telling us all week, the biggest question in this case is if that crash was intentional.
Russ, that's exactly right. Both the prosecution and defense appear to agree the crash was reckless, since Shirilla apparently was speeding and had marijuana in her system. But can intent be proven in this crash? That's the real debate, and it's a pretty intense one. While Shirilla says she doesn't remember the minute leading up to the crash, the prosecution is demanding a murder conviction because of evidence presented by experts that the gas pedal on the car was pushed to 100 miles per hour with 100% pressure without any attempts ever to hit the brake. They also pointed to Shirilla's historically hostile behavior toward Russo during their relationship, including audio-recorded threats to key his car. But the defense firmly maintained that many things could have caused this accident. Maybe Shirilla was speeding for fun, lost control of the car while trying to avoid an accident, or a passenger pulled on her steering wheel.
We are really never going to know what happened in that car, much less prove by evidence beyond a reasonable doubt that she purposely drove that car. Purposely. It has to be established that at the time in question, there was present in the mind of Mackenzie a specific intent to cause the death of her boyfriend, Dominic Russo, and her friend, Davion Flanagan.
She controlled that car the whole way. She wants us to think she drove the length of Progress Avenue asleep at the wheel. That she drove down that road that yourself drove down, Your Honor, and that somehow that car magically steered itself into that wall. Her foot was on the pedal the entire way.
Shirilla is also facing charges of felonious assault and aggravated vehicular homicide. The judge says she'll deliver a verdict on Monday at 1 p.m. Russ.
Okay, Kaitor K in the newsroom. Thank you.